Hey, so super quick video on how to fix a Yamaha CLP 380 with knocking keys. So I've already got this thing disassembled, but it's pretty simple. You go around back, there's a screw there, and a screw there that you have to pull out, and that takes and then there's 3 cable connectors right here that you just snap off by pinching this little guy, and it comes off and you get the top. And then the slider piece that goes here, you need to unscrew, a little hard to see, you need to unscrew from here and on this side, these little pieces here, that's it there, and that will let you roll the keyboard cover forward and then off, and you just need to twist it on a little bit of an angle. So here is the problem, at least in my case. This foam protector that you can see the key action there hitting is fine here, but it has fallen off. The glue has just faded. This piano is probably 10 or 15 years old at this point, and what's happening is the key action is just hitting the metal. And so what we need to do is get that foam there to hold, and it'll hit. So that's all that's needed for this fix. I'm gonna do a little bit of glue, slap this thing back together, and I am back in business. Hope that helps. Bye guys.